Ano about iba't ibang klaseng flashing tape? So, there is bitumen flashing tape, there is a butyl flashing tape, there is also acrylic-based, and there is also silicone-based. Pero ang pinaka-popular na ginagamit dito is using bitumen at saka butyl. So what we recommend here at Build-Right is using butyl over bitumen. It's not only here dahil sa amin, but also it's also common knowledge sa ibang bansa that butyl is better than bitumen. Bakit? Ano ba bang advantages ng butyl over bitumen? Number one, butyl is more long-lasting. Dahil ang bitumen, it dries out after a couple of years. Kaya hindi siya masyadong tumatagal. So ano pa ba? Number two, butyl is relatively more resistant to expansion and contraction, meaning flexible siya. Number three, butyl is relatively more resistant sa weather and UV radiation. So number four, ang maganda rin sa butyl is that it can withstand temperature from negative 30 degrees up to 80 degrees Celsius. Unfortunately, sa bitumen, pag masyado ka malamig, it tends to be stiff. And then, kung masyado ka naman mainit, nalulusaw siya. So, yan yung problem, no? So, lalo na ngayon, pag gumamit mo sa yero, napakainit yun. Yung yero natin has good conductivity sa heat, di ba? So, lalo niya malulusaw yung bitumen. So, number 5, butyl does not leach oil. So, hindi siya magiging pangit. Kasi, di ba, ayaw natin yung may parang oil, tapos parang mumukha nagmamansya yung konkreto natin or mga stones.